Hello 8th graders, welcome to our math class. Today we are going to talk about simplifying expressions and solving equations. Okay, let's start now. Firstly, our first subtopic is collecting like terms. What's the meaning of like terms? If some terms are including same variable, for that kind of terms we are calling like terms. Okay. Now first I want to explain about some properties about expressions and equations. The first one is this one. You can write the same linear expression in different ways. Okay? Same linear expressions, but we can write in different ways. For example, 3n plus 5. We can write this one as a 5 plus 3n. Or we can write this one as a 3 times n plus 5. And another way, we can write the same thing as a 5 plus 3 times n. Okay? All these are same thing. All mean the same thing. Okay? Okay, let's continue from here. And we often need to simplify expressions, but make sure you don't change the value. Okay? It's really important. Make sure you don't change the value. We can simplify an expression or we can write in different ways like that. Okay? But make sure that you don't change the value. Okay? It's really important. For example, 2n minus 3. Can we write this one as a 3 minus 2n? Is it same thing? No, right? It's not same thing. Okay? 2n minus 3 and 3 minus 2n, these are not same thing. Because 2n is positive in here, but it's negative in here, right? This is negative 3, but this is positive 3, so these are not same. Okay, be careful about this one. Another example, 2n minus 3 and minus 3 plus 2n. Let's check 2n, positive 2n and positive 2n, both positive, negative 3 and negative 3, both same. So we can say that these two expressions are exactly same expressions. Okay? And we have some rules. I will explain about these rules, but remember that these are not strict rules. These are not strict rules, but these rules are guidelines to make our work easier. Okay? These are not strict rules. Even if we don't apply that rules, it will be correct. Okay? It's not wrong, but these rules make our work easier. Okay, let's talk about these rules. The first one is that one, write products without multiplication sign. Okay, what's the meaning of that one? Write products without multiplication sign. For example, instead of 3 times y, we can write directly 3y. Okay? We don't use this multiplication sign to make our work easier. Okay? Without multiplication sign. And second one, write the number before the letter. For example, we don't write y3, but we can write like that. Not y3, but we write as a 3y, okay, to make easier. And the next one, write terms with the letter before number terms, okay, terms with the letter. For example, 3y plus 5, okay, we write as a 3y plus 5, but we don't write 5 plus 3y, okay, not 5 plus 3y. If we write 5 plus 3y, yeah, it's still correct, but to make our work easier, we write as a 3y plus 5, okay. Another one, we write terms in alphabetical order. For example, we write 2AB, but we don't write not 2BA, okay? Because we know that in alphabet, A is first and B is coming after from A. So we don't write 2BA, but we write as a 2AB. Okay. And the next one, when a term has more than one letter. Some terms has more than one letter, right? For example, let's say 3AB. Okay, A is first and B is coming after A in alphabet. So we write as a 3AB, not as a 3BA. Okay, it's also important. And the next one, write negative terms after positive terms. For example, negative terms in here. 2n minus 3. We write as a 2n minus 3. We don't write, it's not minus 3 plus 2n. But actually it's same thing, but we want to make it easier. So we don't write as a minus 3 plus 2n, but we need to write as a 2n minus 3. Again, I want to remind about that one. These are not strict rules, but these rules make our work easier. Okay?